The UX300e is Lexus's first all-electric vehicle, and the first model launched under the Lexus Electrified banner. It's also the newest member of the UX family, the compact crossover we launched early in 2019. The UX has quickly become our best-selling model in Europe. Around 25,000 have been sold so far, taking a record 5% segment share. The UX300e is designed for the urban environment. Its power output is 150 kilowatts, or 204 horsepower, and its 54 kilowatt-hour battery gives it a target driving range of 300 kilometers, based on the WLTP cycle. This means it meets customer requirements for a compact urban vehicle, avoiding cost, weight, and space constraints. With the UX300e, we wanted to take electrification a step further, creating a unique Lexus based on 4 core elements. Firstly, it offers exceptional craftsmanship, build quality, comfort, and quietness. After studying the noise patterns of electric vehicles, we took measures to significantly reduce noise in the cabin. Secondly, the driving experience is refined yet dynamic, and stability is excellent. This is thanks to high body rigidity and a low center of gravity, helped by locating the battery beneath the vehicle body. The UX300e also benefits from elements of the advanced posture control we are showcasing in the LF30 electrified concept. Thirdly, our 15 years of experience with hybrids mean we can guarantee exceptional battery reliability and durability. And finally, choosing a Lexus electric vehicle brings with it an ownership experience that's unmatched in the motor industry. This means, for example, helping our customers with charging solutions, at home and on the road. Deliveries to European customers will start from the end of this year. And next year, we expect the UX300e to account for 15% of all UX sales.
Looking ahead, we have plans to expand our electrified vehicle lineup. We will launch our first plug-in hybrid and another all-electric model built on a dedicated EV platform early in this decade. These new models will support our brand's growth in Europe, alongside our wide range of hybrid vehicles, which already account for 96% of our sales in Western Europe. We achieved record sales in Europe and our 6th consecutive year of growth in 2019. And as we grow our lineup with new products and powertrains, we are confident the momentum will continue, allowing us to reach a 6-digit annual sales total in the near future.